So we have posted a question. Case 13. A blood smear is taken and reveal the following pathological cell. The pathological cell, what they are mentioning here, they have uniformly small projections. Which of the following associated condition might you expect to find the patient from which the sample was taken? So the finding they have mentioned here in words, as well as they have given us a figure. Even though if the figure is not given also, we can answer it. We can see that is uniform equal projection, right? So this figure is not relevant here, you don't need it. Because in the words itself they have mentioned here, they are uniformly small projections. So what is the diagnosis, right? When you will see in the blood smear, this uniformly small projections. So remember, the conditions mentioned here, one is lead poisoning, right? So normally in lead poisoning, we can have basophilic stippling. What is the most important finding? Never ever make this mistake again. Basophilic stippling. Most of you have answered what? Lead poisoning, right? As I see the board, most of them. So lead poisoning, what is the blood finding? Basophilic stippling. In myelofibrosis or myelofibrosis, you are going to see in the blood something called dacrocyte. Dacrocyte is called a teardrop cell. Teardrop, right? Teardrop like RBC, teardrop, pathological finding. G6PD anemia is very famous. Everyone know what you see? Something called degmocyte. Degmocyte, or we call it as bile cell. Or you remember very common bile cell or Haynes body. Bile cells or Haynes body. Then in megaloblastic anemia, you will have what? Macrocytes. Macrocyte. So you ruled out every option. What is the question I posted? What is the question? Echinocytes are seen, right? So if you don't know the answer also, you can rule out and come. You know this thing, right? I'm sure megaloblastic we know, G6PD know. Maybe you have doubt in what? Myelofibrosis and lead poisoning. It's also very common. Myelofibrosis, what is it? Dacrocytes or teardrop. So remember, only answer left here, or remember echinocytes, RBC. Echinocytes, right? How these cells look like? We have seen the figure, they are equal, remember E4, equal or symmetrical, equal, and they are small projections, equal, small projections, right? Equal, small projection, that's what the figure, right? So echinocytes are seen in end-stage renal disease, they are seen with liver disease, they are seen with pyruvate kinase deficiency anemia. Three things remember: end-stage renal disease, liver disease and pyruvate kinase. There is one more. So what is the answer here? End-stage renal disease. There is one more that is always confusing us. That is called acanthocyte. Acanthocyte. Acanthocyte also will have projections, but that projections will be, remember, A for asymmetrical, not equal, not uniform. It will be asymmetrical projections. Asymmetrical. And remember, it will be not small. It will be larger. Asymmetrical, large. Where I see acanthocytes, again I can see liver disease, and very important, acanthocyte is seen with a beta lipoproteinemia, a condition where a beta lipoprotein is what? Absent in our body, right? Biochemistry, a beta lipoproteinemia and liver disease, right? So take away lead poisoning, basophilic stippling, myelofibrosis, teardrop, right? Dacrocyte, G6PD, bile cells or Haynes body, then vitamin B12, megalocyte or macrocyte. So remember what we are learning here, echinocytes are for end-stage renal disease, liver disease, pyruvate kinase deficiency, anemia. They are equal, like symmetrical projection, small cell. What about acanthocyte? Acanthocyte, large one, asymmetrical, right? Therefore, liver disease very common, and A beta lipoproteinemia. Lifetime. Thank you.